We are proud to represent this 2005 Ford Thunderbird 50th anniversary Inca Gold Thunderbird. 33,000 original miles. Car was purchased new at Beverly Hills Ford, California. Spent its life there and in Florida. Car is absolutely stunning. It is Inca Gold, very rare. They only made 80 Inca Gold T-Birds in 2005. It was a very late production. There's only 80 this color. This is a premium package, two-tone white and black interior, and very rare white lacquer steering wheel with white lacquer shift knob cover. Look at that car. It also has the upgraded premium wheels with the white inserts. This car is a showstopper, 100%. Beautiful, rust-free. Belonged to a T-Bird collector. Ultra rare, laser straight, clean history. No stories here, clean title. Florida car, California car. Was purchased new at Beverly Hills Ford, Beverly Hills, California. Look at that gorgeous Inca Gold. Very rare. 50th anniversary. Last one here. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help at any time. Call or text us, 954-561-2499. Gorgeous Inca Gold Ford Thunderbird 2005 50th anniversary. Pirelli tires, laser straight down the sides. No stories. We're very happy and proud to represent this car. Rarely come across one this color. They only made 80. Most of them are in collections. I'll point out any flaws I can point out here in the video. Car is nearly flawless, absolutely rust-free, smoke-free. Gorgeous wheels with the white inserts. It has the upgraded premium interior, black and white tuxedo package with the heated seats. Dash is in perfect shape. There's no rust on the chrome. These cars are known to rust on the chrome around the windshield. Car's in perfect shape. There's a little bit of lifting on the material here on the passenger side door panel. That is the only flaw in the whole car. Otherwise, it's very nice, almost not noticeable at all. Seats, carpet are like new. Got your white lacquer shift knob cover and your white lacquer steering wheel. It's a very rare package. This car has a black soft top. They didn't make too many. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. We accept any types of trade-ins. Gorgeous, black and white. 33,000 original miles. Black convertible top. It's in excellent shape. It does have the hardtop carrier and the convertible top boot in the trunk. I will show you that. We are happy to help at any time. We can ship to any destination in the world. You got your hardtop, your convertible boot, and your hardtop rack. As you can see inside all the panels, this thing is righteous. All of your original OEM tags are there. No stories at all. These are the type of cars we like to find. We've been in business 44 years, and we love these premium cars. Seats and carpet are like brand new. 33,142 miles right now. No warning lights on. Car has been fully serviced. Look at that. White lacquer steering wheel. It's super pretty. Show you under the hood. These cars are known to have a few flaws. This one is flawless. No dents, no dings. Even the front bumper has no bug chips. Car was garage kept. The previous owner was a T-Bird collector. We purchased it directly from him. Look inside the engine compartment. It's like brand new in here. Look at that. The car is running. You can hear it. This car is a showstopper. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. If you have any questions or concerns, we're happy to help at any time. Thank you.